Hello guys, welcome to another grand interesting video on our channel, and in this today's video we are going to understand one more step ahead in a process flow, right? So basically this is our already a third tutorial, okay, on Flexsim modeling. We have already created our tutorial 1 on creating 3D modeling, using process flow, using objects. Then we created tutorial 2, understanding the dashboards and analyzing our 3D model which we created. Then we prepared third tutorial on understanding the process flow and the same 3D model which we created by using object entities of the Flexsim. We have created that by using the process flow of Flexsim, right? And in this, that is tutorial 4, what we are going to understand is we are going to understand how to create process flow charts. So basically we are going to understand how to do your process flow analysis, how to get the statistics out of from the process flow. For example, when we run this, right, we need to identify how many are our happy customers, how many are our unhappy customers, and stuffs related to, just like we did it for our tutorial 1, right? Understanding and analyzing our 3D model so that we can take informative decision out of a simulation, right? So statistics is nothing but the heart of what you have done in a simulation, right? Simulation is useless if you don't have statistics, you don't have analysis, right? So now let us start analyzing our process flow which we have created, right, in this tutorial, right? So we are going to understand different parameters of this process flow, creating the dashboard. So now let us add one blank dashboard. I'll bring that here. Okay, so we have it side to side, we have dashboard here and we have process flows here. Okay, now what we are going to do, we have already learned about how to create the dashboard. If you are unaware of that yet, please do watch our tutorial 1, 2, 3 so that you will understand what we are doing here. And then if you want to understand dashboards in detail, we have a separate playlist on our YouTube channel dedicated to dashboards where we have discussed all these dashboards there in detail, and we have an individual video on those each. So you can go and watch that on our channel. Okay, so now let us understand one thing. Okay, now what we are going to do, when you click on this sync, right, what you are going to see? You see here texting, you can change the font color of the activity, and here we have the activity statistics. Here if you could look at, we have input, that is current, we have output, that is. From the sync we are not going to have any output. That is the reason we need to identify the input coming into our unhappy customers, right? So now let us take a graph that is input versus time for unhappy customers. Okay, so let me make this bigger. So we have this graph looking great. Okay, and let us reset this so you would be able to see the names of this coming out, right? So what we'll do is we rename this to input versus time. Okay, so that is what is going to be a good one for us, right? So what we are going to do now is basically we are going to understand how many unhappy customers are in our service desk. So basically it would be like counting how many tokens from the process flow have entered our sync. Okay, that is what is going to happen. So when I just reset this and I'm going to run this out, right, we are going to get our unhappy customers coming into the game. You're going to also get the time when my unhappy customer was created and how many total unhappy customers have been created yet is what the status is going to get. For example, till 9 o'clock, I had almost 20 unhappy customers. Okay, you can now decide whether this count of unhappy customers is okay for your service desk. If not, what initiative you're going to take to make these unhappy customers lesser? Are you going to make an additional operator or additional person to service the peoples coming in the service center so you have lesser unhappy customers? or you're going to improve your technology so that the person who is available, a technician who is available at the service desk, would service faster. Okay, so there are multiple and number of options you can try now to optimize or make your system more perfect and great, right? But currently, let us understand analyzing the data. So this statistics, when you pull in from sync, you are now going to able to understand that how many unhappy customers are in your service desk and how that changes based on the time, right? Now, what can be the another one which we can find out from the system? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite graph amongst this. Okay, and the question for today's assignment is, you are going to put in the comment section that for this particular problem of the service desk, what you feel is the best solution to reduce unhappy customers. Okay, put that in the comment section. If you haven't liked the video, please do like it, share with your friends, teachers, colleagues. It would be a great stuff, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. That would be a great support from you. Okay, so now what we're going to do, let us look at the stuff that is acquired service desk. Okay, now I'm going to just reset this and let us look at that what is the stay time. Okay, that what is the time the operators are basically waiting at our desk to get the technician for their issue. Okay, so welcome to our website beawarechannel.com, and you can see that we have a lot of educational content just for you. So the specialized content we have is discrete event simulation support, then we provide you industrial engineering training, then we have lectures for you, and then we have blogs which are literally going to groom your skill sets and your knowledge. Then we have a very important aspect of our life, that is health awareness related stuffs on your Be channel. Okay, so here is our booking online appointment tab. So in the home you will get the tab where you can book online appointments for if you want the Flexsim simulation training, you can book it here. If you want the support related to simulation projects, that might be industrial simulation projects, then you can book and take an appointment from here. We will be discussing on that into this. Then if you want a support related to creation of 3ds model files which you can import in your simulation for better visualization, we have that in here. You can book the appointments from here. If there are any simulation project support for engineering students for their educational purpose, for their educational projects, if they need support on, then we are there to support you. You can book your appointment from here, and we can have a thorough detailed discussions, and then we can take ahead the plan of how it has to be done. Then if you want the customized simulation model for your industry simulation projects, for your engineering projects, we can provide you customized simulation modules. So to know this in detail, book appointments now. There are very limited slots available, and it's the fastest thing you need to do is book online appointments. Then if you could look at, we are India's first and only simulation channel. We have our YouTube channel available. We have a dedicated playlist for simulation tutorials, modeling tutorials. We have a playlist for industrial engineering related stuffs. You can visit our YouTube channel from this, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you want to know about us, it is available here. Here we have our scheduled events. These are the upcoming events across our Be channel. So it might be our YouTube channels, it might be our websites, it might be blogs. So you will get a detailed info at the scheduled events, and you can check our services here for detailed and more informative thing. So I've taken you through our home page. So we have a dedicated simulation page here. You can explore here. If you want any support in, you can reach out to us from this, or you can book the appointments directly, because if you're going to reach out to us from here, we are guiding you to book the appointments indirectly. So you can directly reach out to us by booking an online appointments. Then we have the training classes here. If you want to opt for a training classes based on subscription, we also have option for that. You can visit and purchase that. Then we have the modules, in specific modules which you can buy, and those modules you can use in your industrial projects or your engineering projects. Then we have engineering tab, where we bring in the content related to industrial engineering, synchronization of different technologies, and the sync between simulation and industrial engineering. So there's a lot to explore in this industrial engineering domain. Then we have also brought you personality development tab, where we bring the content which can groom your personality, help you develop, upgrade your skill sets in a journey of job and career upgradements. So we bring a lot of exciting topics onto this. These videos will be released on our website first, and after 2 weeks of time, these videos will be released on a YouTube channel. So it's better you visit our website daily to get recent updates. Then we have personal finance tab, where we support you for managing your finances, so that you are building a wealth with a strong financial background. So the foundation needs to be strong for financials. So this is a tab where you can explore our content, where we share our views, we share in tips which can help you manage your finances. These all things you will be getting in engineering. We have the best to the class blogs available, ranging from simulation technology, then different types of technologies, industrial engineering, finance, personality development. All these stuffs you will be getting in a form of blogs in here. So we upload blogs daily. Visit our website beawarechannel.com to get maximum out of it. And then we have health awareness tab, where you could look into. We are going to have a lot of exciting stuffs related to health. We are still working on this, guys. We need your support. Give us a like, share, and subscribe, because we are going to bring a lot of exciting stuffs which you will not get anywhere available to top-notch quality. So here you see we are bringing in health-related blogs which are dedicated so that you live a healthy, stronger, and happy life. We have organ-related tips here, ankylosing spondylitis support we provide in, and you can contact us in here. So this is an overall high-level journey for our beawarechannel.com for services like simulation, engineering, personal finance, personality development, blogs, health awareness, and many more. It's like having multiple things under one umbrella. So what are you waiting for? Do not forget to visit our beawarechannel.com website daily, so you groom yourselves, upgrade yourselves, and stay updated. So thanks for this, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and visit our website beawarechannel.com. So see you in the next video.